welcome to Stop and Shana.
All right, so I am working on some Meijer deals today, and we're going to start out with this Neutrogena. It is $2.19 for this bar. We have a 2-off-1 in perk, so you're going to grab this for just 19 cents. All right, next awesome deal we're going to grab here is these Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now, my store had them almost hidden. I almost couldn't find them, but if you see them right there, they're sideways in here. They're regularly priced $2.89. It looks like this. We're going to grab one. We have a 3-off-1 in perk that's attaching to this. It will reduce down and make it completely free. So I'm really excited about this deal. But remember, if it's hard to find, look for it to possibly be in there sideways. So a really great deal this week on blackberries. The 6 ounces are 99 cents, and they are Driscoll. So this was I wasn't positive about this in my must-do deals video, but Ibotta has a rebate for the Driscolls for 25 cents back on one, limit of 5 times, making these just 74 cents each. What a great deal. All right, so in the actual aisle, there are people there working, so I got out of the way. I grabbed 3 of these. So these are part of the buy 5, save 5, and there's also $1 off each coupon. Now, I used mine last week, but I have this 3 off 3 coupon that printed when I used mine last week, so I'm grabbing 3 more, and I'll grab 2 more items to go with this, so we get our 5 off 5. Going on vacation, so I need to stock up on my Diet Coke, so I'm going to be grabbing these. There's also a deal at Kroger coming out on Wednesday for a penny more for $3 each, but I'm going to go ahead and grab some here at Meijer and just go ahead and have them. So the Pepsi products are also part of the buy 5 for $2.99 each. We also have a 3 off of 4 coupon, makes them like $2.24 each, which is a really great deal. My problem is I cannot find any diet right now. The only thing I could kind of find that would go with it would be like the 0 sugar Pepsi, or Dr. Pepper I should say, that's part of this as well. But I was hoping to find some Mountain Dew diet, so this is unfortunate. Don't forget to grab your goldfish this week for $1.09 when you buy 5 participating items at Meijer. Really great deal, and it makes a great filler item too. Don't forget about your Oikos Greek yogurt. That's a freebie this week, $1.19, free digital in perk. Unfortunately, my store is wiped still. I don't know if I'm ever going to get this. So another really great deal here is the Fairlife Ultra Filtered Yogurt for $4.99. My store again is completely out. Nothing there, but you're going to get $5 back from Ibotta, making it completely free. They also have these Fairlifes that are for $4.99 as well, and you get $2.50 back from Ibotta, so it's half off. So there's that if you really are wanting some yogurt. Alright guys, another really great deal here is the Serious Beans. They're $1.69, but we have an in perk for buy 1, get 2 free. And of course you can mix and match them here. I'm not seeing the Dr. Pepper ones though. Anyway, really, really great deal. Make sure you grab these. I don't even know what to get, but they all look good. All right, we've got these Hellmann's Drizzle sauces here. They're regularly priced $3.69. It looks like they are on sale for $2.99. On top of it, we have $1 off 1 in perk, as well as $1 back from Ibotta, making these just 99 cents. And there's different kinds here. There's the sriracha sauce, and there's also the cilantro lime sauce. Another reminder, this is your last chance to grab this awesome deal on these Baby Ray sauces. These make great filler items, and then if you compare them with coupons, they're even more awesome. I'll put the deals here at the end, but also make sure that you look for any kind of peelies to get them possibly for free. Awesome deal on the Townhouse crackers this week. They're part of the buy 5 sale, so you're going to grab them for just $1.99, but there is a 2 back on 2 from Ibotta, making them 99 cents each, and I'm so excited. I love these crackers. They're so good. And I think the pita and the flatbread and all these other things do work as well. I'm going to double check that before I leave. So I'm totally striking out here, but there's Oscar Mayer bologna for buy one, get one for $1, plus you get 50 cents back from Ibotta. It's going to be an amazing deal, and unfortunately, my store only is carrying these like salami ones as opposed to the ones I really want, so that's a big bummer.